Hi, I'm Tom. I just got done skiing in the Blizzard Bushwacker. This is just a fantastic ski. It's definitely aimed at your high-level intermediate through advanced skier who wants a really versatile frontside ski. It's super, super easy to ski. To me, this thing is the definition of calm control. Goes up on the edge real easy, holds an edge real well, but with the rocker profile in it, you can still kick the tails out super easy. It can still skid and smear. It just never feels like you're not on top of this ski. Definitely not for your beginner level skier, but solid intermediate up through advanced level skiers looking for versatile front side, this is it.